We'll guide you through how to export your project as an MP4 file in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your project is ready for export. You'll want to go to the bottom right corner of the interface and click on the Deliver tab. This will take you to the Render settings, where you can configure your export. Look for the Render settings panel on the left side. Here, select the Custom option if it's not already selected, as this gives you the most control over your output settings. Then, under Format, choose MP4 from the drop-down menu. Make sure your codec is set to H.264 for compatibility and efficiency. Now, under Resolution, you can choose your desired resolution, commonly 1920 by 1080 for HD, but adjust based on your needs. Check the frame rate to match your project's settings to ensure smooth playback. Then, set the quality to Automatic or Restrict to if you want to limit the file size by setting a specific bitrate. Once all settings look good, move to the File tab at the top. Here, you can name your file and choose the location where you want to save it. Make sure everything is set up correctly, then click on Add to Render Queue on the bottom right. You'll see your job added to the Render Queue panel on the right. Finally, click on Start Render. This will begin the export process, and you'll see a progress bar indicating the rendering status. Once it's done, your MP4 file will be ready in the location you specified. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.